Hello everyone and welcome to the hands-on demo on Amazon CloudWatch. So this is the hands-on demo overview. So we have Amazon CloudWatch, which is listening for an alarm on an Amazon EC2, and that Amazon EC2 we will stress it out so that it will trigger a high CPU utilization alarm, and that in turn will trigger the alarm, and that alarm is integrated with Amazon Simple Notification Service topic. So that topic, once it gets an alarm triggered, it will trigger an email, and that email will have the information about the EC2 instance, which is triggering the high CPU utilization. So first step is to create an EC2 instance. So I will log into AWS console and search for EC2. So I'll copy the name of EC2 instance and I will call it CloudWatch demo. So click on launch instance, paste the name, and you can keep all other details as default. So you have T2 micro, keep your login, I will create it, and create security group, allow SSH from anywhere, and rest all details are default. Just click on launch instance. Then create a new key pair and give a key pair name. So I'll call this CloudWatch demo key pair. Okay, and click on launch instance. So just save the PEM file. So I'm saving it onto my desktop. So let this instance get up and running. Next is to change the permission, otherwise when we connect it will say the file permissions are too open. Next is to create a SNS topic. So this SNS topic will be integrated with CloudWatch, and this will be listening. This will get triggered by the CPU alarm. So I'll create a SNS topic. So search for SNS. I'll open this in a new tab. Copy the topic name. Give it, keep the name, keep this type as standard. Rest all settings are fine. Create topic. Now create a subscription and provide an your personal email or some access email which you have access to. So click on create subscription and protocol email and paste in the email ID. So the subscription has been created. Okay, next is to confirm the subscription. So go to your email. And click on confirm subscription. So subscription is confirmed. Next, the final step is to create a CloudWatch alarm. So for this you have to go to CloudWatch service. So I'll search for CloudWatch. I'll open that in a new tab. So this alarm, okay, so I'll just showcase the steps now. So on the CloudWatch home page, click on create alarms. So you will be on the alarms page. So again, click on create alarm and then select metric. So under matrix, go to EC2 and click on per instance matrix, and here you have to type in CPU utilization. So I'll just search for this particular matrix. Okay, now you have to pick the exact instance ID. So for that, I will just go to the EC2 console and go to instances. So this instance ID ends with D3FB. So I will just go back to the alarms and I'll probably scroll down, and this is the so you can find out by the instance name also. So I gave this name as CloudWatch demo. So I pick this instance ID and this EC2 instance. So select your EC2 instance and click on select metric. So here metric name is CPU utilization, instance ID, statistics average, and period is over 5 minutes period, and threshold type will be static, greater than, and give a value. So I'll just say 70%. So if CPU utilization is more than 70% over a 5 minute period, it should trigger the alarm. So this is the first part where we specify metric and the conditions. And when alarm state trigger is in alarm, we are saying select an existing SNS topic. So I'll select the topic name, and it has automatically filled out the endpoint, and rest all action you can keep as default, and click on next. Then give a alarm name. So we have done this: CPU utilization average 5 minutes, and static greater than 70%, 1 of 1, and name I will keep as it is, high CPU utilization alert, and click next. Then this is last page, preview and create. So you can see all the information that you have filled in. Click on create alarm. So the alarm is in place and it is just waiting for some data. Now it is insufficient data. So next we will connect to the EC2 instance and stress it out so that it would trigger high CPU utilization. So go to your instance. So there's some status check. Okay, it's running. Click on the instance, click connect, go to the SSH client tab and copy the whole connection string, and I will paste in the terminal. So you say type in yes. So I am inside the EC2 instance now. Next is to install and run stress. So first I will install this tool, command line tool called stress. Next is to run this command. This will trigger, this will run for 10 minutes timeout. So it will start, it will run for 10 minutes and it will trigger, sorry, it will target only one CPU and it will try to maximize or overload the CPU. So okay, after around 5 minutes, I got this alert on my email. So this is coming and this is going straight to promotions actually folder. So in case you are checking primary, you can check in the promotions as well. So if you click that, you will be seeing that email saying that this high CPU utilization alert, and it has gone from OK to alarm along with the instance ID details. And all the information that you have configured as per the alarm will be can be seen here. Okay, so this is this worked as expected. This is the email triggered and alarm state changed to in alarm. So if I go to the CloudWatch alarm, so you can I can see it is in alarm. Earlier it was OK. It starts with insufficient data, then it goes to OK, and then in alarm. So if I click this, I should also see the graph of CPU utilization, and it should look something like this. So this is the percentage, and it crossed that, and then at this particular point it would have triggered the email. So this is exactly how. So now it reached almost 89%. So at this 70% mark, it has triggered the email. And that's all. We'll just do the cleanup now. So first is to terminate your EC2 instance. So go to instances. It's already selected, and instance state, terminate instance. So this is it went to shutting down. I can also delete the key pairs. So go to key pairs, select this and delete. Okay, next is to delete your SNS topic. So under topics, select the topic and delete. And then now go to subscriptions, and you can delete the subscription also. And finally, you can delete the CloudWatch alarm also. So go to alarms, select the alarm and actions, delete. So it is successfully deleted. Okay, now there is no alarms. And that's all. Thanks for watching.